Hey, Dustin with Floor at GI here. Wanted to talk to you guys today about carpet. So we're going to just today do a general overview on some of the advantages and disadvantages of different carpets. So what I've got behind me, we've got a nice little patterned piece here. This patterned carpet, there's lots of great patterns out there. You also have more traditional plush type design carpet where it's a really tight pile like this particular piece. You can get them in flex or solid colors like you see on the display behind us. And then from there, they've got shaggy piles. I mean, everything in between. Just really depends on what you're looking for from a comfort standpoint and a performance standpoint. While on the subject of performance, real quick, we can touch on, there's different fiber types out there. That's going to be your most dramatic effect in performance, whether you go nylon, polyester, triexto, which is a form of polyester, or smart strand. Lots of different types of fibers that are out there, and all of them have advantages and disadvantages. Some of them are better at cleaning, so they are going to clean up better. Some of them are better at performance, and some of them just feel really super soft. So again, just to touch on that. Also, different carpets will have different backings. This particular piece here has a soft back as opposed to the carpet here having a traditional action back on it. And those action backs are going to be a just traditional backing. I like to think of them like a pair of leather boots. You put it on, it's stiff, it's hard, you have to kind of walk it and use it, and then as you use it on top of that pad, it starts to break in that backing, and sometimes with traditional action back you get wrinkling issues, and that's why today you're seeing a lot of new backings like soft back come out because they're less prone to those problems, and actually a lot of companies are even offering a no wrinkle warranty with those. So, but is a general, again, lots of different colors. You got today the nice new gray tones, which are really hot right now, or you still do have a lot of traditional browns. Colors are starting to come back a little bit. Not seeing a lot of bright colors yet, but that's just a good general overview for carpet. Of course, stop in and see us or have us come out with the mobile showroom. We'd love to go over the options and see what best fits for your home.